Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Here I want to show a mini home automation project that I've made. A lot of electronic components have been used, which you can see here. There's the PIR sensor for burglar detection. Here it's the ultrasonic sensor. This is the water level indicator section. Inside this bunch of wires, there's an LDR, which is a light sensor basically. The most important of all is this microcontroller board. That's Arduino UNO, which is quite affordable. Okay, without further ado, let me show you the demonstration of this project. When I turn the switch on, the motor starts rotating, and that will be used for water pumping inside this tank. The bottom section of this piece of cardboard is representing the water surface. I could have used water instead, but it would have made this part a little more complicated. The red LED is glowing, and it's representing that the water level inside the tank is critical, which is obvious too, as we can see through this transparent wall of the tank here. So let's lift this piece of cardboard up to show that the water level inside the tank is actually rising. As the surface rises further above at the peak level, something more than just the glowing up of the next LED would happen. Let's see. As you can see, the motor stopped rotating when the water filled completely. You don't need to manually switch off the motor when the tank is filled. Now if the water is used, the level of it inside the tank would definitely fall down. The motor started rotating again, and it will fill up the tank again. It's fully autonomous. And of course, you can switch up the motor anytime if you don't want it to run. Now let me move to another part. If you're living inside a home, then you'll must need a fan and one bulb at least. Here I got an IR remote. Okay, see, when I press this button, the fan is on. You want to turn up the fan? Press this button. Well, you can set it to be any button which you'd like. There's actually two bulbs for the home setup. One is for inside and another for outside of the home. You can control the inside one by using this remote. Press this button, it will turn on. Press this one, it's gonna turn off. The outside bulb which I'd mentioned would automatically turn on when it will be dark or night, and it's gonna turn off in the daylight, or simply put, when there will be too much light. It's actually controlled by the amount of light hitting the surface of the LDR or the light sensor. You might have been waiting for my little frog to see what it does. Well, let me tell you a secret. He claims to be a smart thief, but ironically he'd never stolen even a single thing. Here's just another chance in front of all of you to prove himself. But let me first turn on the burglar detection power switch. Come on, my little frog. Someone, do something. And slowly, he's going at the entrance to the home. And there it goes. It could be loud enough to alert you for the presence of any burglar outside at your entrance. So that was all for the video, and I'll see you next time hopefully. And thank you for watching.